Welcome to Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the latest in technology and development tools. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a fascinating tool called Dagger. Now, if you're a developer or part of an app team, you might feel overwhelmed by the complexity of maintaining different scripts across multiple projects, right? Well, Dagger aims to simplify that. So, what is Dagger? Imagine replacing painstaking scripts with a modern API that lets you encapsulate all your project's tasks into simple functions using your favorite programming language. That's right, it packages these functions into a custom GraphQL API, and you can run them directly from your command line interface or even via a custom HTTP client. It's like turning your chaotic process into a well-organized library. Let's dig a little deeper. One of the main benefits for app teams is that it significantly reduces complexity. Even intricate builds can now be expressed as just a few straightforward functions. This means goodbye to the dreaded push-and-pray mentality. Instead of crossing your fingers that everything works in your CI environment, you can expect the same functionalities directly in your dev environment. And speaking of efficiency, all Dagger functions are cached by default, which can lead to speed increases from 2 to 10 times faster. Can you imagine? That's less waiting time for developers, leading to more productivity and ultimately faster project completions. But it's not just app teams that benefit. Platform teams also gain from Dagger's flexible structure. CI lock-in can be crippling, but with Dagger, you can run functions across all major CI platforms without being tied to proprietary languages. It empowers app teams to create their own workflows, which fosters innovation and collaboration. Now, you might be wondering, what about onboarding new developers? This is a huge hurdle in any development environment, right? Well, Dagger simplifies this process significantly. If developers can build, test, and deploy, they can adapt quickly to using Dagger's functions. No steep learning curve in sight. Let's think about the collaboration aspect for a moment. Dagger allows you to reuse another team's workflows without having to grapple with their tech stack. How cool is that? It's like being able to borrow a friend's books, but in coding, without the confusion of different genres. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with a thought-provoking question. In an age where collaboration and speed are pivotal, how might embracing tools like Dagger transform our approach to development and project management? Thanks for joining me today on Tech Talk Today. We really dove deep into what Dagger offers, from reducing complexity to fostering collaboration across teams. If you're intrigued, why not check it out and see how it might streamline your own projects? Until next time, happy coding.